Today, we will make a new AI film, one that looks like a real AI film and in an easy new style. And we'll do it in a very simple way. You see, many channels are making AI short films, uploading them, and earning thousands of dollars. You can make one too. Just watch today's short video. In this complete course video, I'll explain everything: how to create a script, how to generate free images, and how to make a free AI video. Plus, we'll use a new AI tool for video creation that will blow your mind with its capabilities. Warning! Every single part of this video is extremely important. If you miss any section, you won't be able to understand the complete process properly. I'll guide you step by step in today's video, revealing all the secrets to creating professional quality content in minutes. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. It's your ticket to becoming an AI filmmaking pro. First, open ChatGPT and type this prompt. I want to create a film featuring a giant snake, something like what we see in big action movies. The snake should be enormous and terrifying. Don't worry, I will include this complete prompt in my YouTube description so you can use it easily. After that, just type the next line. Give me 10 image prompts of this story and add a big snake in every scene. ChatGPT will then generate 10 amazing prompts for you, just like in a real movie. You can see the results for yourself. Next step, image generation. For generating the images, we will use Piclumen. Click on Generate for free. It's a free AI image generator website. After that, select the 16:9 size, which is perfect for YouTube. Now I go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, and paste it into Piclumen. You can see the image is generated instantly and looks amazing. In the same way, I copy the next prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Piclumen, and you'll see the next image is created. I continue this process, copying all my prompts from ChatGPT and pasting them into Piclumen, and it generates all the images perfectly. That's why I use Piclumen. I am using Piclumen because it generates AI images that look exactly like scenes from a high-quality film. Its results are cinematic, detailed, and visually stunning, making it perfect for storytelling, concept design, or creative projects. Piclumen stands out among other tools due to its realistic textures, dramatic lighting, and movie-like composition. Whether you're working on a film idea or just want powerful visuals, this AI image generator is an amazing choice. I highly recommend trying it. And now, as you can see, all the images created already look just like scenes from a movie. Now, it's time to create audio and video. For audio generation, I will use two websites. The first one is 11 Labs. Just paste your prompt here and it will generate the voice for you. However, please note that this service is not free. So instead, I prefer using TTS from OpenAI, which is a great alternative. It's completely free and you can generate high-quality AI voiceovers.
Text-to-speech.
Here's how I do it. I paste my prompt into the tool. I use the voice named Tom. It's one of the best and most natural sounding voices. Then I click on Create Speech. After that, I click on Go to History and the AI voice will be ready to use. Next step. Now it's time to create AI videos. To make AI videos, I use 3 different websites. All 3 are free to use and you can create videos every day without paying. 1. First website, Sand.ai. Sand.ai is an excellent AI video generator. It gives you 300 free credits, which are enough to make 8 to 10 videos easily. Here's how I use it. I click on Click Here to start. Then I upload an image. After that, I enter the prompt, for example. The giant snake emerges from a snowy mountain. You can choose how many seconds long you want the video to be. Even 10 seconds is possible. I select 5 seconds, then click on Generate, and the video creation begins. Second website, Digen.ai. Digen.ai is another excellent website for generating AI videos. It gives you 300 free credits daily, allowing you to create up to 10 videos per day. Right now, I've received over 800 credits, so I can make plenty of videos. Here's how to use it. click on the Create button. Then click on Upload to upload your image. After uploading, enter your prompt. For example, the snake is moving and its massive mouth is shifting as it hisses. Now click on Generate and your video will start rendering. Once that's done, I upload another image. Then I write a new prompt. For example, a brave girl stands atop a tank while the snake rides. Smoke rises in a natural, intense moment. You can also write your own prompt depending on the scene you want to animate. This is how you keep generating cinematic AI videos easily using Digin.ai. Third website, Pixverse AI Pixverse. AI is another fantastic platform for generating AI videos. It also provides daily free credits. With just one Gmail account, you get 60 free credits. The best part? Pixverse is very fast and produces AI videos quickly and efficiently. Here's how I use it. I go to the website and click to start. Then I upload an image and enter the prompt. For example, the snake devours tanks, thick smoke billowing from the destruction. The video generation begins instantly. Then I upload the next image and enter this prompt. Helicopters are firing, the snake rises into the air, flames shooting from its mouth. And then another. The snake is engulfed in flames as a jet crashes directly into its open jaws. In this way, I create multiple cinematic AI videos using all these websites. Now I can download all the videos and you can see how amazing and realistic they look. After that, I open CapCut and select all the videos I created. I do a little zoom and set the watermark. As you can see, I'm arranging my videos step by step. In CapCut, you can also add animation effects. They offer a great variety and the results look really good. You can apply smooth transitions, cinematic filters, and motion to enhance your final video. This is how the full video is completed. Thanks for watching. I'll bring another exciting video next time. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.